Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to take your old outdated end tables and to turn them into something beautiful and unique just like these. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, fun little project here. We're going to be coating two end tables. They're kind of jacked up, so we're going to coat the top and then they're going to take the bottom here and they're going to paint it and make these things look brand new. So we're going to be using our proprietary unique resin. You can't get anywhere else. We don't white label our products, so when you buy from us, you're getting a truly unique, one-of-a-kind resin. We highly suggest you try it. Also, 7 days fully cured compared to 30 days. A lot of other resins out there. It's an industrial grade coating, super user friendly, and one of the biggest things is you don't have to torch it. So we put our product down, we blend the colors, and we walk away. We're not torching it multiple times to pop bubbles. Our resin's unique, has proprietary mixtures in it that help the bubbles rise to the surface and pop all on their own. So we're not torching nothing. So with that being said, these are gonna be real simple and fast. I'm gonna do the design with my hand, and then we're gonna show you how awesome they look. So I have my highlights separated out so I know how much to use on each one. I didn't do that on the turquoise here, so I want to make sure I get a similar amount of product on each table here of the turquoise. Make sure we get kind of to our edges. I want to get some of that turquoise color on the edges. It's looking pretty close here. So this is a really simple technique. We're basically just dumping epoxy out, whatever color you decide to use, random piles, puddles, shapes, whatever you want to call it. Might just leave a little bit in the bucket, not a lot. It's not gonna heat up on us when it's that small amount, just in case I need to touch up my edges. And then since I know exactly how much silver to use, because I got them separated, I can just pour all this out. So we're just gonna go in between all the turquoise color. And again, we'll just save a little stuff, a little bit of that silver in case we need it for later. And then we'll just do the same thing on this one. You just want to make sure you don't run out of your highlight color before you get it everywhere on your piece that you're coating. Okay. So since these are so small and you guys have seen us do videos with our hands, it's really fun, people like it, so I'm gonna just do the design with my hands. So I'm gonna start kind of just flattening off the silver around the edges, just the product around the edges. Okay, now we're gonna rub our edges in. Smear a little on the top. Rub our edge in. Notice I'm doing different spots as I hit the top. Big thing, make sure your guys' stuff's level. Obviously, end tables and stuff are easy to level. Don't wanna spend your time coating it and then having it run all off to one side and just ruin your design. So by getting a thin layer of epoxy on these edges, it's gonna help the product flow over and carry the design that we have on the top to the edges. So that's all we're trying to do on this. All right, so that's all done. So now we're just gonna randomly blend this top together, just like so. Okay, so now them are coated. Now we'll take the isopropyl alcohol and we'll just spritz the surface. A lot of these cells are gonna go away, but this will help kind of move the product and blend it. If you want more of a dramatic effect like this to stay, you can lightly mist it with spray paint and it'll push that spray paint out and it'll create these cells, but they'll stay there because it's actually a paint. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this set up for about 20 minutes. We're gonna take white Montana marble spray and we're just gonna do a really light marble spray vein technique on the top of these. So we're basically adding layers to the resin and it creates really unique looks every time you add a new layer. All right, so I'm gonna switch it up a little. I wanna add some sparkle to this, so I'm gonna use our liquid diamonds in the isopropyl alcohol. So I'm gonna just spritz some of this out. It's gonna add a lot of sparkle to it. It's gonna look really cool. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, so we're gonna add the Montana marble spray. We're just doing small amounts. It's white. We wanna add a little bit of white to it.